Welcome to Lathrop, California. This stunning single-family home awaits in the desirable River Islands community. Introducing 17,214 Bowling Court, a luxurious, north-facing masterpiece. This 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom residence spans an expansive 3,735 square feet of impeccable living space on a generous 7,500+ square foot lot. Built in 2021, this home is designed with over $180,000 in interior upgrades and $200,000 in outdoor enhancements for a truly elevated lifestyle. On the main floor, you'll find a serene primary suite and a dedicated office, creating the ideal blend of luxury and functionality. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring high-end stainless steel appliances, a built-in refrigerator, and elegant quartz countertops, all flowing into a spacious living area equipped with surround sound, perfect for entertaining. Upstairs, discover a grand, versatile loft, along with additional bedrooms, 2 of which share a stylish Jack and Jill bathroom. Step outside into a custom-designed backyard oasis featuring a glistening pool with water and fire features, a spa, and extensive space for entertaining. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to provide the ultimate outdoor experience. The 3-car garage includes a rear roll-up door, offering direct access to this outdoor sanctuary. Fully owned solar not only enhances sustainability but also adds substantial value to this exceptional home. Exceptional education is provided by nearby schools, covering all grades from kindergarten to high school, ensuring quality education for every age group. The vibrant community offers parks, walking trails, and schools accommodating all age groups, making it an ideal place for families. Enjoy serene waterways creating a picturesque backdrop for your daily walks. Effortless commuting is ensured with convenient access to major highways and shopping centers around the area. With easy access to the freeway, close proximity to schools, shopping centers, and surrounding parks, this location is ideal for first-time home buyers or investors looking to expand their portfolios. Experience the finest new development community and continue to grow. Your dream home awaits at the shores and river islands. Schedule a tour or submit an offer at your convenience by contacting Rodney Som at SOMEONE REALTOR 209-302-9631. Rodney is passionate about helping clients find their dream homes or sell their properties with confidence. His expertise and commitment ensure a seamless and enjoyable buying or selling experience from the Bay Area to the Central Valley.